Now, because these sides are congruent, they show the same lengths, and same thing here, we know that this is a parallelogram because both pairs of opposite sides are congruent, which is one of the main characteristics of a parallelogram. So we know that these sides are parallel, as are the other sides to each other. And so we could say we have parallel lines cut by a transversal. And so when we're trying to find the value of x, we actually want the lines that surround x. So I actually am looking at the wrong lines. Let's start that part over. So let's instead look at these parallel lines. I'm going to do these arrows here, cut by the same transversal, but notice how at this point the x is pinched between a parallel line and the transversal, and that's very significant. As we'll see on the back side of page 34, which is side 4 of our math reference document, whenever you have parallel lines cut by a transversal, there are only 4 possible relationships: corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, and consecutive interior angles. And it's important to be familiar with each of those, as well as the conclusion. 3 of the 4 conclusions are congruence, where 1 is supplementary. So notice we have parallel lines cut by the transversal, and the specific relationship is 57 and x are alternate interior. They're interior because they're between the lines, and they alternate over the transversal. And alternate interior angles are congruent, which makes x 57.